how to use two TikTok accounts at the same time. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, you can use multiple TikTok's account at the same time. So for that, open up your TikTok and then go to your profile on the bottom right corner and then tap on the three lines on the top right. Head over to settings and privacy. Then you'll need to scroll down to the bottom and then tap on switch account. You'll get the option to add account. Just tap on it and then sign off for the TikTok that you want to add, and you can easily switch between accounts. And that's it. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.